Hi, my name is Joe. Today, we're going to show you some avatar bending moves. First off, fire bending, yeah! Don't pay attention to the laser. Okay, now. Is this the sound of that clicking? Oh wait, no. You up ready? Okay. Oh no, wait. Flame went out, sorry. Kinda cold out here. Don't bother the clicking. Okay, now we got some fire bending. Get real close on that, Adam. And look at that fire bending just coming out of my hand. Yep. Okay, now some fire bending. Now we're gonna do some water bending. Watch this cup of water just go. Yeah, you're learning already. Did you see that water whip? It was all like, whoosh. Okay, come on.
Water.
Now we're gonna be like tough. We're gonna do some metal bending. All right. Next, earth bending. Are you ready? Get in your horse stance and throw the rock. You're an earth bender.
Okay.